Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge TJ Maxx haul for you. Did I just scream? I think I did. I'm having some coffee because today is chilly and yucky and it's Monday, so it's a coffee day. A previous TJ Maxx purchase, it says I'm pawsome. But I have a lot to share with you guys and I found so many good things and some really surprising beauty finds as well. First, I showed these in my vlog. These are little acrylic organizers. These are a great size to me. Like, I feel like you could fit foundations in there if they were the right size bottle, if they weren't round. Some foundations, you could use them for so many things, and I really need more organization that I can put in my bottom drawers that are bigger or set out, because I think these are really gorgeous as well. Only $3.99. Usually this brand is called, it's B-I-N-O. I don't know if it's Bino or what, but usually this brand is more expensive because it's a really sturdy, beautiful acrylic, but $3.99 was a great deal, and I actually thought maybe those were mispriced. So I got both of them. So I wound up getting two. So that's the brand name on the side there. I found these little cat toy sets on sale for $1 a piece, so I got two of these. They were each $1, 3 little mice in each, and I can always just use some backups for my cat. And Sally, our little kitten, she's really not a kitten anymore, but she's tiny. She is really playful and she loves little toys like this. A really exciting one I found was the Burberry Eye Color Cream. This is in number 102 Mink, and this was $9.99. But the packaging is so beautiful. It's just very simplistic, but it's got that Burberry plaid on it, and I feel like this is that perfect brownie nude kind of shade that you can really throw on when you're in a hurry and still know that you're going to get a pretty look. So that's what it looks like. I have swatched it because I was excited, but that's what it looks like on the finger. It's just like a really great neutral cream. I feel like when I'm running late to work or on a day where I have to get up super early and I want to be simple, kind of put this on, smudge it out, blend it out, put some mascara on, and you've got a great look. Super simple, and for $9.99, I just thought it was really worth it to try a Burberry product. This is my very first Burberry beauty product. I got two Philosophy 3-in-1, the shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath. So the first one is the Vanilla Bean Nutmeg. This was on clearance for only $6, so I thought that was a really good deal. Typically these retail for around 16, I think, 16 or 18, and usually they sell them for 12. This one I was more than happy to pay 12 for because this smells so good. This is crispy marshmallow bar, so I'm guessing that's like a Rice Krispie treat. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Pretty sure I have another one of these somewhere in one of these bags, but these are the Real Techniques Bold Metals. So I got the number 200 eyeshadow. This is oval shadow, excuse me, for $3.99, and I also got the Bold Metals Triangle Concealer. That is also $3.99. So there you have those. I've been seeing these for a while and I do love Real Techniques, so I thought, okay, that's a great time to get it for $3.99. This next bag, I don't know what's in it. Okay, we'll start with this. The shirt I have on is like a pink furry heart little tank top. It's like a racer back. It came in a set with these shorts. So this is actually like a pajama top, but these shorts are too cute. They're little hearts with eyes on them and roses, and that with the shirt is just adorable, and this was $12.99 for that set. I also picked up the Creme Shop Glow Up Skin Animated Unicorn Face Mask, but I got this pack before, but this one has shimmery rainbow pearl. I just thought that would be fun to try. So it's 3 in there and it was $4.99. One more Real Techniques one is the Bold Metals 301 Flat Contour. So this is like the rosy gold colored one. I believe I saw different ones as well. I don't know how many are in there. If you guys know how many were in this collection, put that in the comments below because I'm not sure. But I don't know like what I'm missing. I didn't want to get the triangle foundation. I just felt like I wouldn't use that. But I think there might be a powder one that I missed as well. I got the Bare Minerals Good Clean Fun. And this is a trio. This is $35 retail. I saw these for, I think they were like 18 or 20, and then they dropped them down to 10 because they had so many of them. So you get the Transforming Purifying Cleanser, you get the Gentle Deep Cleansing Foam, the Oil Obsessed Total Cleansing Oil, and then a small one of the Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. So I thought for $10 it would be a great way to try Bare Minerals skin. I've tried their makeup, but never their skincare products. I do not remember what is wrapped up in here. This year I'm doing a better job of keeping track of like receipts and purchases and things like that. So I was like, the other day I wanted to staple some receipts together and I didn't have a stapler. So I got this one, which is cute. It's gold with like this pink applique detail. I need to get some staples for it. Like, it's just one of those things you don't realize you need a stapler until you need one, right? This one you saw at the end of my last vlog. So I got this blanket. I could not help myself. It is by Berkshire Blanket, which I've heard those are really good, and I am a blanket obsessed person. I usually buy cutesy ones or like really girly ones. This one was $14.99. It's a velvety plush throw, and there are llamas on it. You see little llamas with their sunglasses, and then you see llama butts, which is probably my favorite thing. And this one's really cute too. She's got like heart-shaped glasses on and a little necklace and flower. Oh my goodness. You guys know, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I love cutesy things, and I saw this and was like, oh, I have to have it. My boyfriend's sister is having twin girls, so I picked up a couple outfits on 2 different shopping trips. So this one is, I got all Carters because I know those are good quality and they're super, super soft. So these are little baby basics. I got the preemie size in this because I felt like, I know a lot of people have twins a little early and they come and they're small, of course. So I wanted to have something that maybe they could wear right away, possibly, I don't know. And I was like, oh my God, is it wrong to buy a preemie size? Like, are you saying something with that? And Zach was like, no, calm down, it's fine. So I got this one in a preemie size. This one has a little flower top with little blue pants and monkeys on the feet. You also get a little monkey hat. And this onesie is just one with flower print. So it's really, really cute floral. And of course I got 2 if they want to match, or you can obviously do a little mixing and matching there as well. But I like the option of at least giving them the chance to match. But I'm like, okay, she might want to match them, she might not want to. So those are really cute, and they were only $11.99. So for $12 you got 2 outfits and a hat, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So I just grabbed one of the outfits to show this one. This one was the first one I picked up and I thought it was so cute. So this one is flamingos, and it's just like a little polka dot print with a striped pant and flamingos on the feetsies, a little flamingo hat, and then the other onesie is just covered in tiny flamingos. This was also the Carter's brand, super soft material, and again $11.99 for 2 outfits and a hat. I only found one of these, but I thought it was really nice and something to put in the diaper bag. This is like a little burp cloth or something like that. I have no idea about babies, so I just saw this and was like, oh, that's cute. It's this super, super soft. It's by Burt's Bees, and it was only 99 cents. I just thought it would be nice to have another little cloth to put in the diaper bag. And I know like they're constantly going to be getting these dirty as well as onesies, so I wanted to give them a few options. Also, just something silly to put in Zach's Valentine's Day gift. This is a Star Wars Darth Vader air freshener in dark ice. This was only $1. It was on clearance, and I just thought it was really cute. He kind of like swings side to side. I got him a Deadpool one and he loved it, so that one smells really good too. Okay, now something a little crazy that I got is this giant piece of pizza sleeping sack thing. So it is huge. It's so huge. You get the crust at the top. It's long and it comes to like a piece of pizza. I'll try to insert a better picture, but I put this on last night. Now I think it's meant for a kid because it was in like near the kid stuff, but you can put it like all the way up to your hips.
Zach got it a little bit further up and he was like, oh, it's because your butt's so big. Okay.
So yeah, you can get it up to like your hips, but it keeps your legs so cozy. And if it was for like a kid, they could really get all in there. I think it would be cute, but it was $17 and I had to have it. I found these boxes. This one was $3.99 and it's just got this floral and unicorn print on it. I thought it was really adorable. This one's more of like a flat size, so I thought I could keep some receipts or something in here. I also got a bigger one because I thought they would be cute to stack, or I don't know, do something with it. And this one's blue with the unicorns. I actually really like this color. I don't love this little handle on it, but I get it. It does make it more convenient to hold, but it's a good bit bigger. And this one was $7.99, and it's a really good, like, sturdy, simple box. BC Beauty Concepts Vitamin C and Antioxidant Facial Cleansing Wipes. This is just a big pack. These are really inexpensive, and what I really bought these for is either when I'm doing my makeup, a lot of times I will clean off my fingers, or I will clean my like dip brow brush because I don't want it to get caked on. I'll clean off the top of my dip brow. There's a million things you can do with them. Or if I'm filming a video and I'm doing swatches, I will use these to kind of like get the swatches off in between. They come in handy, and I don't want to use like really good facial wipes when I just want something quick and easy to wipe my fingers. I found a couple Anastasia eyeshadow singles. The first one is Gold Bar, which I know I've seen this one before. And these are all, of course, the discontinued shades when they got their new ones. So Gold Bar looks like that. Really pretty. I also got Smoke. I wish people in TJ Maxx would stop touching everything though. Like this one wasn't swatched, but so many of them I found were swatched, opened, like some of them were nearly destroyed. That's the shade Smoke. Like this dark gray brown. I also got this Dr. Brandt Cellusculpt. So we actually sell this at Sephora, and I want to say it's like $85, and this one was $19.99. It's really cool too. So I'm a real person. I have a bit of cellulite on the back of my thighs. I have had people tell me that they use it and like it. So that tells me something. Like people who've purchased it and say, oh yeah, it really works. So it's really cool. It's this big tube, and these are rollers. I've sold this to people before as well, but each one of these moves. So you like turn the head, unlock it, squeeze some out, and then you use the rollers to like massage in. It's really cooling too, but it's supposed to help kind of like work that little fatty tissue on the surface in. Let's see, I don't know. We're gonna try it out because I want to see if this works. One more Anastasia eyeshadow. This is in the shade Icy, which I probably have maybe one or two more in here as well. This light blue green. And all of these were $3.99. I got these pants for like lounging around in. They are the softest material. Oh my goodness. Like the smoothest, coziest material you can think of. They are white with a drawstring. The end is kind of cuffed at the ankle. But what I thought was cute is like on the knee area, you have this flower detail, which I just thought was really cute. So to the ankle, and then that's on your knees. It just gave it a little something different. These were $16.99, so it's a little pricey for TJ Maxx, just a pair of like loungy pants, but I thought they were so cute and they're so cozy. Also, in the end of my last vlog, Zach pointed out these avocado bedtime sleeping masks, which is just so cute. These little avocados here and here, and he secretly filmed it. Like I walked away, I had no idea, and then when I was going to like upload the video, I was like, what is that? It's this little clip. So this was $3.99, and you get these little pods. It's overnight ultra moisturizing, and I know avocado for the skin is really like nourishing, so hopefully that will work for me. I found the Algenist Reveal Concentrated Luminizing Drops. I've wanted to buy these before, but they're a little bit pricey regularly. These were only $9.99, and these aren't too old either, so they're relatively still a new product, but they're kind of cool. They're kind of like Cover FX drops, but they're not quite as crazy. So if you wanted something simple, like they still give you that glow. I also got this from Zach. I saw it and I was like, oh, that's so cute, and he demanded to get it. It is adorable though. It's this long pillow. It's like a koala. I'm sure this is probably meant for a child, but the mask is also really cute. It's got little tassels for the ears, and I know this is childish, but I'm sure as hell gonna use it. One thing really cool that I was surprised to see is the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Trio. So this has 3 of his Neo highlighters in it. And we had this during the holidays. I want to say we might even still have it in store, and it's $58 retail. I found it for $24.99. It comes in this little pouch too. This was in like the most pristine condition, so I'm guessing this was a new item on their floor. These are magnetized, so you can keep them together or you can break them apart. So they're a matte to glow highlighter, kind of like that setting powder I got in my Lucky bag. Really gorgeous. So just to give you like an idea, that's more of the glow side. They're really beautiful, blendable, silky smooth powders, and they're not like a blinding highlight, but you could definitely build it up to be so. Each one is so pretty, especially this one was really catching my eye, but I didn't want to spend $58 on a single highlight, or even really $58 for this set. But for $25 to get 3 really good quality ones, yes. I also found this Bite Beauty watercolor lip gloss library set. Now I don't even know what this looks like. I don't remember seeing this ever, so this is just news to me. This may be a little bit more on the old side, but it's sealed up nice and tight. This was also $24.99, and it slides out like this. You get so many Bite lip glosses. This is insane. I tried to find the manufacturer's like stamp to see like when this was produced, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm still gonna research this a little bit. It was just like we needed to go, and I was like, do I get it? So I got it. Lovely pastel shades, and you've got all these really wearable colors as well. I cannot wait to play. I'm just gonna pull out this lavender one at random. And they've got a nice color to them. They're kind of like semi-sheer, not quite opaque, but still a good bit of color to them. And of course it's Bite Beauty, so you know it's good quality. Their lip products always really impress me, and I could not resist this. Something silly I got is this unicorn wine stopper. It was $4.50. And you guys know I love my wine, especially at night when I'm taking a bath. I actually have one wine stopper now because my first one broke, the one that I've been using for a while. My mom gave me one for Christmas, but I thought, why not have a backup? Because look at this. It's glittery, it's unicornish, and yeah. Zach saw this and really wanted it for Valentine's Day. So this is a coffee mug. It was $5.99, and it is a Star Wars one. This is also one of those that change when it heats up. So when it's cold, it just looks like this, and the back is just black with the word Star Wars on it. So that's cold. And here you have what it looks like when it's hot. So you get like a little Yoda there. Another one of the Harper Lee coffee coconut scrubs. We use these all the time. We both use it. It's great in the shower, and we have a nice backup like setup back there. My cabinet has like 4 in there, but we don't see them all the time. Who knows when TJ Maxx may not carry them, so we pick them up usually. There was a couple, but I just decided to get one. This is $5.99. I think they're normally $6.99 or $7.99, so sometimes you'll find them priced a little bit less. I also got this Anastasia eyeshadow for $3.99. It's the Intense Gaze is what this one is called, and this is a pretty like reddish tone. So that's what that one looks like. And finally, we made it to the end. I have shower jellies. It's jiggly. This reminded me of something that Lush carries, their shower jellies, but I found these. These are by Asquith and Somerset. That's the brand, Asquith. It's not Asquith. You are mermazing and believe unicorn self. So they are shower jellies. There's sea salt and pearl for the mermaid, and there is cotton candy for the unicorns. How adorable! I'm literally racing my camera right now. Its battery is trying to die. So I'm gonna take the film off of one of these. Woo! We're just bust into it. That's what it looks like. It's a very, very light scent. Okay, so it's definitely just like this jelly consistency. It kind of feels like Jello. So I can't wait to try this out. Let me know if you want to see like my thoughts on this. Maybe I'll just put it in a vlog. So thank you guys for checking out this big TJ Maxx haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of my goodies. If you have any questions about something that I bought, leave it in the comments below. If you have video suggestions, also leave that in the comments. Be sure to check out my giveaway, which is going on right now. It will be linked below in the description box, as well as some other videos you can check out, which I hope you will. So make sure to leave a like if you like TJ Maxx and Marshall's hauls. And of course, if there are other hauls you want to see, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!